Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking at my screen, that is our Tinkercad Toolbox. Today, friends, I'm going to hit you with a challenge, so let's get cracking. So, friends, it's as simple as this. You've had this toolbox, you've learned basic skills from making the toolbox, you made the screwdriver, you made the hammer. If you haven't completed those, there will be links up above where you can get those completed, but now your challenge is to use all the skills you've got to create your own awesome tool. Now, I showed you earlier where we picked up a tool so that we can look at it. You can ask around your house, find some tools. You could ask your parents what tools are most useful, and then the challenge is to use all the awesome objects here. You can also go into the all shapes and see what kind of amazing tools there are. You can make current tools, you can make newfangled tools. I am totally flexible and I'm anxious to see just how awesome your creations can be. Now, the minimum is for you to make one tool. If you make more tools, that's even more awesome. Of course, friends, when you're done, I need you to turn in a screenshot. You can do that by hitting the send to button and just taking a picture. Do make sure you've got your screen arranged so that it is as awesome as can be so that the screenshots look super cool. If you make something unbelievably awesome, don't forget that you can scroll to the bottom, click invite, copy that link, and share it with me so I can see the awesome things you created. I may even create a video shout out showing how you did it. Friends, of course, if you are choosing to share with me, you can find me at HLModTech. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You can also just send an email to HLModTech@gmail.com or even use the messaging that's built into the HLModTech.com website. Friends, I am so looking forward to the cool things you're going to add to this toolbox. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.